To factory reset Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, first of all make sure that you are connected into the internet by Wi-Fi or wired connection by using dock. Next you have to head up into the system settings and scroll until you find system, open system settings, and when we are here we have to also scroll at the bottom and open data clear options, and now go to the restore factory settings. So it actually deletes all data and the system memory, also everything that is on your memory card. So if you want to save data that is on your memory card before factory settings, because before that factory reset, just be sure that you remove your card. So open the factory settings, short information for you if you want to read it, sure, but scroll down, click next, and now information that the system will attempt to connect to the internet and unlink any Nintendo accounts. Click next, and as you can see in this step, we have to wait for a few seconds. We have to select the red button, restore factory settings, and click on the A to confirm, or simply click on the screen and follow on-screen instructions.